Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this Gemini crypto card review, including my personal usage experience, are down in the description below for your convenience. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the Gemini crypto card, exploring its features, identifying who it's perfect for, and sharing my first-hand experience using it. This prepaid MasterCard allows you to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere MasterCard is accepted, providing a seamless transition between your digital assets and real-world purchases. The card supports a range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the Gemini dollar stablecoin, GUSD. One of the most compelling aspects of the Gemini crypto card is its impressive rewards program. You can earn up to 3% back in crypto on every purchase, a significant benefit for frequent shoppers who prefer accumulating crypto rewards over traditional points or cashback. This card is issued by the well-established Gemini exchange, renowned for its robust security within the crypto community. This foundation provides a layer of trust and reliability, especially when it comes to managing your finances. The Gemini crypto card seamlessly integrates with the Gemini exchange platform, allowing for easy management and real-time tracking of your funds directly through the app. This integration simplifies the spending process and provides complete transparency. Transactions are processed quickly, enabling you to spend your crypto directly without the need for prior conversion to fiat currency. This added flexibility streamlines your spending experience. A major advantage of the Gemini crypto card is its lack of an annual fee, making it a cost-effective choice compared to other crypto cards on the market. Furthermore, there's no minimum spending requirement to earn rewards, so even small purchases contribute to your crypto cashback earnings. While there is a 2.99% fee for ATM withdrawals, this is a standard practice among most crypto cards. The Gemini crypto card is a perfect fit for crypto enthusiasts seeking a user-friendly way to spend their crypto holdings directly without the hassle of converting to cash. It's particularly advantageous for those looking to earn crypto rewards on everyday purchases. Overall, the card delivers strong performance, a user-friendly experience, and valuable rewards, positioning it as a strong competitor in the crypto card market. For more in-depth information or to get started with the Gemini crypto card, check out the links provided in the description below.